recommend it.
For
That
vest.
at least, yes, that
Vest,
you have out of 24 hours, you have right to vest for 2 hours.
For 2 hours.
And this is our own.
This is the very
2 hours.
Fake doctor is
How
that?
can you say that?
Dr. Sokaribo, how can you say so?
Ask Dr.
Owedaba Sokaribo.
Ask Dr. Aike Krubo of St. Patrick's.
Yes.
These are consultants.
Doctors should bring their certificate.
These are consultants of this kind of human anatomy.
Dr. Aliko, my friend, all of them, they say
They
that
should bring their certificate for verification.
every day you have 2
They should
hours.
bring their certificate
You
for
are
verification.
allowed by
Ask
science.
people like Dr. Samson Paka,
Yes, Samson Paka.
Dr. Deflati.
So,
You know, we get all kinds of doctors.
Yes. Even
Now in the church, there is doctor now.
Yes, I have
Reverend Doctor.
Dr. Ibekwe inside my church. Yes,
Very good.
Dr. Ibekwe.
Ask him.
Yes, all the
That
doctors.
In
And
24
Dr.
hours, human beings supposed just a vest.
For 2 hours.
2 hours.
In your 24 hours.
I
in a
will
day.
advise you to vest every Friday morning.
From 8 to 10, take the vest.
You see how your blood pressure going to circulate. You will repeat. You will repeat.
You will live long.
Why the noise now? You will do. This kind of blood they do will be.
Oh, you never hear.
It's the movement. It's a movement.
This hand in small girl.
Very spicy. I don't know where she's
My
coming
blood
from.
they do.
You never stay. Yeah. Okay. Hold on.
Hold your left breast.
Yeah.
Hold your left. If I let me go and
From
check
the
it.
nipple.
If you can't get
let's
it,
go
yes.
check
Then
it.
I have to check
Okay, wait.
it. Let
And
If I slap
it
your
is
eye.
not
Now,
There's no
you never
stethoscope.
hear. Wait. You never hear your stomach sing for you.
How do they sing?
It depends on what you
You
chop.
need to chop better food.
I dey tell you.
That is just your problem.
You chop meat pie.
If he
You chop
eats,
meat pie.
if he go, Kule tell me say somebody go wedding. See for buffet. Line up, oh. Leave egusi soup where you know. You recognize egusi soup.
In liver.
Leave after
Sign not
soup
to
where you know.
recognize it.
Leave okra. Okra soup where you know. Now come waka leave them. Come go see where they keep salad cream.
As they collect pounded yam, the next thing we collect
Now
na
salad cream.
Now I can't tell the
We
first
check it.
this soup don sour.
Say come. How your soup the taste? When they look at no chops, salad cream with gari go fast. And halfway go recognize it. Say,
This
the
soup don
anyone
sour.
this soup the taste. So
Salad cream on the head.
you know they eat better food. Never your stomach. As you first sat down, your stomach begin sing for you.
You will repeat. No.
No. That one will replace the blood.
Oh,
Stomach
okay.
will bring.
Oh, now
And as at that time, please help yourself. Don't be shouting anyhow. Because
You have to sit like a lady. You have to sit and cross your leg.
any attempt to say, hey,
You go help.
that's it, but when they worry now, you will hear what we call prupka. Any message come a prupka, check your pants well. There must be small substance that follow it. So your stomach they sing for you.
Just respect yourself and move slowly.
So that's what the blood pressure they do will be. Once here, it will be. Look for doctor. If not, your gauge, your blood pressure gauge will be 1,000 over 950.
Efrebo, it is divided into two.
How?
So people have their own choice to be angry and vexed for that 2 hours.
Yes.
Meanwhile, some people have the 2 hours to be happy with us.
Have you seen a big supplementary vest before?
Only once.
For 2 hours.
Oh, our own 2 hours.
Our own vest, beam supplementary. She didn't stand for one place. Our own vest, she could walk up past. My friend, hey, Okuja, don't talk to me. Rita, Osmanu, carry my bag, throw it away, bring it back. In fact, where's that phone inside the bag? She the vest.
Call me.
My phone.
No, let me call you. No, cut the call.
Send the text message. What kind of thing is that? Oh, okay. Who is there? I meant you close the door for him. Bring him inside. When she fetch, they give instruction. 100 instruction. They give her withdraw.
So she go give you the instruction. Take it back
again.
Okay, give it to herself.
Give it to her.
Turn it to you.
Turn it to you. So now some people they vest, their blood pressure do repeat. Some they vest, they if you go see them.
See, for a bill cemetery, our blood pressure don't do repeal.
How? That's what I'm saying. They give
double.
Now, have you seen His Excellency, the governor of this state vest?
How they do like,
what's wrong with you? I will blow you. I will give you a backward. If you don't go ahead, I will head you. If you expect it to answer the call, I will head you. If you don't leave Yana, I will head you. Answer you. I will head You leave here. Whoa.
What's that?
I don't have money. I don't have. You go echo money.
By yourself, bro. So
By yourself.
You don't let it judge yourself. Just dey go.
Now so you know go say this Friday people don't go verse. Some people you advise to verse 2 hours. Now
Please feel free to
feel
verse.
free. Now we on our own. Nigeria army has come again.
They have come again. Oh, they have come again. Nigeria army come again. But they can come and take on. Oh, they have come again. They have come again. Nigeria army.
You don't see Momo that mass
That's
before.
oh, you don't
You
tell.
dey crazy.
Don't
You don't go all those
go ask.
all this water side area.
Go ask that
All this,
Pima chairman Obi, that woman.
Oh, blah.
What
What is it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know the pattern now. We are live. Just come and see our house on face. Kule has added color. Me, I was in London. I've added some color.
Some flesh.
And it still remain as she. They no need it.
No color.
No color.
Although the people has gone.
The people has gone.
There's no people. So this is the time you can call
Since
and ask for a number.
Since MMM run away with our money, our peoples are disappearing. So check us on. Go your Facebook. No bother. I don't tell people go your Facebook. Just type Funky 4.
Funky and 4 number 4.
4. Like us. Pam. We don't show.
You see us live.
See us.
Every time they do,
Go see
they
us
talk, you
everything.
go see, watch us for your phone.
So
But
that's how it be. Now, Nigeria Army on their own. In all the divisions, what they will say, we have created
a new
a
division.
new division. What happened to the old division?
Old division get your own jurisdiction.
You don't finally divide. Oh, the division don't divide.
Okay.
This one they come get your jurisdiction, get your own
The
particular
Boris
agenda.
Camp now which division?
They get
That one
something-
don't divide.
they get-
Because Port Harcourt Peace Park don't take half.
No. It's not. Air Force it.
Okay.
Air Force people.
Okay, with them.
No, who can have Boris Camp?
Na body camp, na force dey the other side now. Na body camp. They don't only take half, so they have to use that half now to go and form another
So
division.
now, our bros, Brutal is here. It's our colleague.
Brutal.
When me and Kule was in the War College.
We were in the war.
College Okrika.
Yes.
Yes. When War College Okrika, when we run, Brutal was our colleague.
Yes. It was our colleague.
He was our colleague. So, in War College Okrika. So he was around.
Nigeria Army Force.
Okrika.
Yes. Water side.
No, near the cemetery.
Division, cemetery division.
Cemetery division. He now come this city. See, he has brought a new division. In all the divisions, he don't bring another division. We are looking for multiplication very soon. Nigeria Army go bring board mass. Come, you do mathematics at all
Why
this
not do
game.
mathematics?
Okay, what is board mass?
Board mass na board mass.
Bracket.
Oh, let me cool try this girl.
Why? Board
She
mass
said
na-
board mass. What kind of? This is Nigeria is the answer question.
She did arithmetic. She did
Board
not
mass
do
na
maths.
board mass.
No.
You
Annie,
know the-
Annie ended in arithmetic, tens and units.
Board
It's
mass.
very possible. Now I hear the fake thing wey what's it board mass be now. Wetin be board mass?
Inside board mass, there is what you call
Bracket.
addition.
No, it starts from the beginning.
That's the ending. A inside the mass and here continue.
Yes.
So,
Bracket.
there is bracket.
There's multiplication. That's how
multiplication.
people used to say board mass.
Yes.
That's how-
Yes, that is board
That's
mass.
the Bangolo school that you went to.
Sure.
Ah.
Annie, even in our very before. Kneel down, raise up your hand and close your eyes.
This girl.
Kneel down, raise up your
I
hand
will
and close your
I will
eyes.
add not breathing inside.
Come, we will not suck something for your body.
It's
this
okay,
morning.
continue. Continue.
Before we gather our straw.
Now, very soon, Nigeria Army will leave division, enter board mass, where you see bracket, open and close, find S. Meanwhile, X is there looking at you.
X division.
X division. See now, this division, now their work now, one, kidnapping. I agree. Those of you that say I, say I, kidnapping, pangam, I
We
agree.
agree.
Armed robbery.
I
Agree.
What is
Bonfire surveyor.
and arrested.
And arrested.
I
It's not monitoring against bonfire surveyor and arrested. Now, these 3 things. One is very lucrative. The last one will call. Bonfire surveillance. And monitoring and arresting.
Those ones like that one.
It's a very lucrative business because we don't know who they do the bonfire. We don't know who they monitor the bonfire, and we don't know who they arrest the bonfire. The three division inside one division is a very lucrative business of the Nigerian army and we that are into the business.
Abi?
Yes, that side, Nigerian army brutal, leave it. It's a business-oriented area. The remaining two, kidnapping and armed robbery, we support. We support.
Okay, with what? How?
If Nigerian army decide to pursue kidnappers for inside Port Harcourt Street, we're happy.
Their presence is welcome.
Okay, welcome. Where you support the
yes, and if Nigerian army say okay, they want to support people like SAS, when they give the work, you can imagine army and SAS.
That is AmSAS collaboration. Like when Wizkid and the video.
Go see the video skin.
Yes.
The video Wizkid.
The whiskey.
Very good. So AmSAS, Nigerian Army and SAS. AmSAS
Pakam
2017. Give
they don't
give
mind.
them year 2017. Now madness be there.
Why they did that here?
So
They are mandate.
they are mandate to operate
till December.
till December. AmSAS 2017.
AmSAS, boy.
You can imagine where AmSAS invade Ada George.
Hey.
Mboba,
Hey.
they will not still collect television.
They will have returned
not come
by
and
themselves. They will not come
because
take
when you see AmSAS
care.
on the road of Ada George, nobody will tell you.
To be normal.
Do you know that the appearance of an army man for your eye as a human being is different from the appearance of a civil servant, civil defense, VIO, police, and traffic warden? Because Nigerians normally would discipline ourselves when we see army man. Army man is supposed to tell us.
They know they talk anything, no.
I dey for inside motor. I'm a checkpoint. I don't know whether the driver smoke or is attempting to smoke something. And I meet them for front because I know say I'm a man only one police driver. In the punish according to the line where the driver did.
How?
If you want slap, in the slap according to the line. So after the driver side, what is the next seat?
The passenger
seat. And I'm sitting there. So the annoyance can transfer from the driver to the guy.
When you say one army slap, now two people in the truck.
Army don't say stop, back. Idiot driver. Instead of you to park that side where the man tell her, you go back for front. Come, now tell us come. Where you? Hey,
back so.
See, I will deny you.
Now they deny him.
The one where Peter do Jesus go small.
It's a small. That's a small thing.
That is, after your denial, don't be far with
I will deny you. I remember my friend who went for school for uniform. Would every time we don't take off. Go Dreams nightclub for Rumola. Come back. One night now we take off. I said, we don't say I'm there for Rumola Junction there. I just jump back. I said, all of you come down. As we come down, they don't ask us any question. You just can't go, yes, come down. My friend starts.
Begin explain.
My name is Michael Logolo. I'm from University of Port Harcourt, Department of Faculty of Management Science, Marketing, Year 2. My number, Unity 1302, lecturer. Shut up! Did I ask you any question?
If I don't give you lightness.
I'm the first one of my father. The second born died through miscarriage. Shut up! We're gonna walk in the house. Shut up! And the man said, Walai, shut up! And the Chris asked her for a question. Ask her, where are you coming from? Ask her for your father name. Shut up!
The guy don't want to take chances.
That is the power of army. So, what I'm saying is, if AmSAC, we have given them AmSAC to pursue armed robbers.
Yes.
AmSAC 2017, they have a mandate.
Operation Mopo.
If they go parade for all these places, all these obligations, my brother, only the National Association of Armed Robbers, River State Chapter, they call themselves
Armed robber, kidnapper.
National Association, River State Chapter will call themselves, say, excuse me, gentlemen, we have to tread with caution.
The opposition parties.
The opposition parties.
Nigeria, AMSA.
They don't form another pattern to dislodge our members. See, we will resist it, but not now.
Wisdom is profitable to direct.
They will not resist now.
We will resist it, but not now. Because we need to know where this one is coming from. It's a political witch hunt. You know, this is a state where everything is tied down to politics. Husband and wife, the quarrel is politics.
Yes.
Family people, the quarrel is politics.
Everything.
You go Casablanca, is politics. You look there and say, what's up? How are you? Cynthia. Say, yeah, Cynthia, what's up? Let's go now. Say, no, come on, it's 10,000. Say, what, 10,000? No, come on.
Why 10,000?
What 10,000? I can't just take 7. Say, bros, why they price like APC now?